Hi everyone. When I made this homework assignment, I forgot to put the due date on here, so I'm going to extend this past your break. Let's see, your break starts the 7th, right? So I'm just going to make this due much farther in advance. It should be too hard an assignment, and some of you are probably done or halfway finished it. I'm going to make it due the 21st. So that should give you enough well, why don't I make it due the 22nd? So that'll give you enough time. Basically, I want you to do a realistic presentation of your leave behind. You can see this student from another school. She either made it or she did a really convincing job of putting it in Photoshop and making it look like an actual item. So include a final mock-up, do a convincing photo composite. And as I mentioned in here, Brittany did that with her magnet. It looked really great. So look at hers if you are confused or this one doesn't do it for you. And then give me a brief description and then a final pricing breakdown. And this time, if you didn't already do it, I want to see a link as to where you're going to buy it. Okay? So just make a nice design. I want to see, I want it to look professional, similar to what you did with the standards guide. All right, so again, I'm going to make this due, to be fair to you, the 22nd of March. I will add other assignments, but I want you guys to have a good break. And when I was a student, I would get incredibly upset when teachers would assign stuff during the break. I figured it was a break. Leave me alone. So I hope you all have a good one. Bye-bye.